Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to find someone's Instagram from Facebook. So let's start the video. Start by opening Facebook and logging into your account. Search for the person whose Instagram account you want to find. Go to their profile page. Check their About section on their profile. Click on the About section. Scroll through the information to see if they have listed their Instagram handle. Many people add their social media links here. If you still can't find their Instagram, you can try searching their name on Instagram directly. Sometimes people use the same username across platforms, making it easier to find them. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.